Hi everyone on my YouTube channel, and I have no idea which makeup I will do, but let's start. The first step is base, and all I'm sure that makeup will be in neon color because today is a luminosity show which like very dark and have ultraviolet, so let's start. I do apply base all around my eye, also I use my finger to make it more thick. And as usually I go back to my favorite palette which I made for myself with a bunch of color which will be glow in the dark. So I decided to go with pink, really hot pink, incredibly hot pink. I know, I think it's, even if I turn off the light you can still see my eyes. I do apply around my eyelid and a little bit go under the brow, but already try to blend it out. The same I do with this angle and a little bit on the bottom. Yeah, a lot more bright than I expect. And the same manipulation we're repeating with other eyes. Try to don't pick up too much this pigment if you do have some. Actually, there's another story about these pigments. I was doing the testers for my own cosmetics, and this is actually one of the nicest testers which I have from companies. It's like, let's say I still keep doing testing because some of pigments which I had before, they leave some marks on my face after or cause an allergy because my eyes is kind of sensitive. But this so far worked really nice, and if this will keep going like this, maybe I will recommend it to you. I decided to apply a little bit more bright pink in the middle because base not that well. And okay, it's time to clean our build brush and start to work with white pigment. Actually, this is one of my favorite type of makeup because it really can change a lot. It's actually one of the rules nice makeup. If you don't know how to do makeup, just follow some of steps which you can find in my tutorials. One of this is like inner eye angle should be bright, plus under the brow we also leave the white one. Yeah, I have some special makeup when these areas go in black, but you need to know it's mostly times for photo shoot and will looks a little bit weird even from the stage. And when we finish with our white, we will start to work with black. And here is a hack about black pigment. If not enough dark, you can just apply a little bit liquid. This calling wet technique, and this can make your eyeshadow more darker and more bright. And yeah, of course I already lost top part, whatever. Don't make your brush too wet, just a little bit there, and just pick up some black pigment or any color which you want to make more darker and start to apply. Of course I'm going with this angle and make it darker for make my eyes look like more open, more big. Okay, you can see my brush was a little bit more wet, so I apply a little bit black and has to wait a little bit for make my brush a little bit more dry and blend it out together. And yeah, I can tell like that bright pink with black to blend it together will take a time, but it's worth it. You will see the end result, and yeah, I kind of like that. And rotary, but today I decided to use my round brush for blend it together. And if your brush is round shape, you must move it like round too. If it's build, it have another movement, and I already show it to you. And this is how step by step we blend it together from our corner with our middle of eyelid. My suggestion, don't go too far. In the opposite way you will make your eyes look smaller. And for under the brow area, for make it maximum white, I use this pigment, which I'm usually use for Halloween makeup, but this will work well here too. I apply just a little bit under my eyebrow and blend it together with my pink. And right now it's time to apply my favorite product, Maybelline eyeliner, for make our eye looks bigger. Inside here you will find one brush, which is nice and I was used with for a while, but recently I just changed it for the bevel brush, which before I was used to make my eyebrow. And yes, sorry, this video kinda old. Yeah, right now I changed my room a little bit, so yeah, sorry. And slowly, step by step, we apply our eyeliner. Don't try to pick up too much product in the same time, because if you will make dirty this hot pink, it will be really complicated to remove. So don't rush, take your time and enjoy the process. Again, top product which I can recommend for everybody, it's eyebrow gel from NYX. I'm using this already many years and really can say this is really high quality products with normal price. And actually I even don't remember how much is it, because one tube is more than enough for 1.5 years. But take a look at this product, I can really say it's worth it. Mine in espresso color. Okay, another my favorite part of makeup is eyelash. And I can tell it's really changed the full makeup. So if you wanna make your makeup looks finished, you need to use this too. Especially for the show when we have strong light on our face, when all the makeup become invisible, at least eyelashes will give some shadow. And I also decided to apply extra shiny on my inner corner. I'm used for this small glitter, which usually using for nails. It's exactly the same as for face, so no need to go to the MAC and overpay, because it's literally exactly the same. I'm blending this up to my middle of eyelid, just a little bit, not too much. And eyelash time, finally. Yes, I usually apply glue and wait like 20 to 30 seconds to give the time to set up the glue, and that way my eyelashes will become easier to glue it. And my choice for the lips is nude color from Maybelline. I think this collection called the Two Lips or something like this. It's really complicated to remove, So you better to think how you will remove this before you apply this on your lips, and buy micellar water for waterproof cosmetic or prepare some oil. I did use some coconut oil and this worked really well. And no, this lipstick don't make my lips feel dry. I also decided to apply this hot pink on the middle. I just like this effect, how it looks like. Plus it will give some glow on my lips too. And of course some glitter also. And upper than my eyebrow too. One of my friend called this makeup dragonfly, and I like this name because it's kind of similar, I guess. And we are already there. We are done. Just final parts and that's it. I hope you enjoy my tutorial. Don't forget to follow me for more. Yes, a little bit remind me Cherry also. So like for Alpi, comment for me. Tell me which color you want me to use more and I will do it for you. And tag me if you will do the same makeup. Thank you. Have a good day.